Hello, my name's Richard and welcome to Rick's Automotive. Please enjoy a short video of one of our fully prepared used cars. This is our 2013 Mercedes-Benz E250 Sport AMG line. It's in the Palladium Grey, it's covered 30,800 miles, it has a full service history. We've just had the car MOT'd and serviced. It's got nice options, it's got the 18-inch upgraded wheels, which are the diamond cut faces, they're all unmarked, sitting on excellent tyres. Just looking in through the driver's window, it's got the half leather stroke Alcantara sport seats with the white contrasting stitching. These are electrically adjusted up and down and the back of the seat. It's got the flat bottom AMG style steering wheel. It's also got heated seats in the front as well. Hopefully you can pick up in the film how gleaming this car is. We're just picking up in the offside rear wheel. And as we move around the back of the car, we'll just pick up on the parking sensors. This car has the front and rear parking sensors. Just moving around the back. It's also got the LED daytime running lights and the xenon headlights at the front. This also has the Mercedes high beam assist, so you have your full beam on and it will self dip for oncoming vehicles. Just looking at the rear wheel there, you can see in the film in perfect order with the AMG logo in. And we'll just look in the rear of the car. You'll see the half leather stroke Alcantara seats. We're going to look in through the front window. As I said earlier, the car does have the upgraded satellite navigation. It's got Bluetooth music streaming, Bluetooth phone preparation, and it does have a USB slot. The car also has dual climate control, and it also has a multi-function steering wheel with the paddle shift as well, and cruise control. Just looking at the near side front wheel. Moving round, you'll see the front parking sensors. Absolutely stunning vehicle, lovely example.